how can you help your medical malpractice attorney move the case along and get the resolution you deserve? In investigating a medical malpractice case or handling a case once we have filed what's called the complaint in a court of law, it's imperative that we collect a lot of background information about you, the client. That background information comes in various categories, but medical records are really the most voluminous type of records that we need. And usually that involves 10 years of medical records, 10 years prior to the date of the incident. That would include any type of medical record, such as physical therapy, primary care treatment, or even psychological care in some instances. You could help us accelerate the case and move it forward at a faster pace if you look into your portal, if your health insurance has a portal for obtaining medical records. We could take the password, we could take the login information from that, and we could actually access your past medical records. But really just being thorough and giving us an idea or a list of all the different doctors or therapists who you have visited in the last 10 years prior to the incident will give us a great head start to move that case forward. Another very important piece of information is your employment history. Tell us where you worked for the last 10 years, the address, your supervisor, what the rate of pay was or your salary, and what were your duties, what was your job title. This is information that we will need to share with the other side. So it's very important that you provide us that list, that information, because it's hard for us to gather it by any other way than through you. And we will also ask you to sign various authorizations throughout the course of litigation, but especially in the beginning, that will allow us to help you get medical records, employment records, and other types of records that we need to get and share with the other side, and which we need to share with medical experts like economists who will forecast things like lost earnings that could have been earned in the future but for the injury that occurred. There are many things that you can do to help move your case forward, and we'll try to give you the tools and the instruction to help you do that.